I searched for God and found only myself. I searched for myself and found only God. Each moment contains 100 messages from God. We are all the same, longing to find our way back to the one, back to the only one. How do I know who I am or where I am? How could a single wave locate itself in an ocean? Would you become a pilgrim on the road of love? The first condition is that you make yourself humble as dust and ashes. Knock, and he'll open the door. Vanish, and he'll make you shine like the sun. Fall, and he'll raise you to the heavens. Become nothing, and he'll turn you into everything. Sit quietly and listen for a voice that will say, "Be more silent." As that happens, your soul starts to revive. There are 1,000 ways to kneel and kiss the ground. There are 1,000 ways to go home again. Without love, all worship is a burden, all dancing is a chore, all music is mere noise. Love is the water of life. Jump into this water. Listen to the sound of waves within you. Don't you know yet? It is your light that lights the worlds. If you wish to shine like day, burn up the night of self-existence. Dissolve in the being who is everything. You have no need to travel anywhere. Journey within yourself. Enter a mine of rubies and bathe in the splendor of your own light. Who could be so lucky? Who comes to a lake for water and sees the reflection of moon?